I'm not sure where I left off at part one of the cleaning video, but I do see where I missed something that's nasty, but it looked 20 times better already than what it looked like before. Okay, so let me get in here. Can't have that. I can't be telling y'all to be thorough and stuff, and I'm missing stuff. Ew, that's just nasty. All right, so that's not gonna cut it. I'm gonna have to get my scrubber out for it. Okay, that's much better. All right, now we got it. Okay, all right. So with that being said, the next thing that we're gonna do, we're looking at this, and now it's time for me to get my bowl, my toilet bowl cleaner. And just remember, we've already sprayed everything down. Okay, so I dip it in there first. And take your time. You know, you want to look under that rim and make sure that you're getting that. Because a lot of times people will think, look at that. Oh, that's just nasty. Oh, yucky. Yeah, so I'm going to spray that down again because I want to make sure that that's gone. But here's the thing. You know, this is real life, sweet. You got to get out of there. What in the world? Like I said, that's why I like to go, I like to do things in real time. Because you get the real. You get the real. But it is gone. Is it gone, y'all? Okay, yeah. Alright, it's gone. Okay, so we have that done. And then from there, I dip it back in there. Make sure I go around one more time. Hey, y'all, I'm all in it. Y'all really in my toilet bowl with me. All right. But hey, it's real life. Okay, so then I take my, what do you call this? My paper towels, and I go over that. All right. And now it's time to wipe the base. And we are almost done. Okay. So this took about, what, a total of maybe close to 10 minutes. And my flash is going off again. Oh, that is nasty. Oh, my goodness. Damn it, this flash went off. Okay. But I want you guys to see the finished product. And see, this is what I'm talking about. This is what you'll notice. And I'm not trying to be funny, but even in some restaurants that you go to, you'll see this in a lot of people's homes. But if you like to go out and you happen to really have to use the bathroom and you see their restroom, most people do not do this. They don't get the bowl. They don't get the base. I'm getting in the crevices. This is what we were taught to do. Be very thorough. Y'all, I'm trying to... You see me struggle? I'm struggling trying to get this paper towel off. It didn't want to cooperate. All right. So let me spray this one more time, and then we should be done. Always pay attention. When you use someone's bathroom, especially the restaurant or a public bathroom, pay attention to the front of the bowl. Because I guarantee you, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be dirty. You're going to see drip marks. Just nasty. Most people don't get that. Their idea of cleaning the toilet is like putting something inside of the toilet, swishing it around, and then that's it. They're not going to take these steps that I'm showing you guys. But if I'm going to clean this toilet,